Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here and welcome to episode 518 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Bitcoin is rallying following a boost from Elon Musk. Dogecoin has broken records after being pumped by Wall Street bets. Marathon is providing a one-year grant for a Bitcoin core developer, and BIGG has acquired $1 million Canadian in Bitcoin. Just before we get into all of that, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, please don't hesitate to share it or leave us a review. And while you're at it, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. Some of these include the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, as well as the Cannabis podcast, both of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. So Bitcoin is up over 16% in the last 24 hours after having rocketed about $5,000 from around $32,000 to about $37,000 yesterday. This is according to data from CoinMarketCap. Now this is being attributed to, in part at least, Elon Musk's adding hashtag Bitcoin to his Twitter profile description. But the attention this brings to Bitcoin is arguably being overshadowed by that of the Dogecoin altcoin. CoinMarketCap has Dogecoin up around 300% at the time of recording, though this is subject to drastic and sudden change. Similar to the recent surge of GameStop, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange as GME, this explosive growth was instigated by posts and tweets from Wall Street bets traders on Twitter and Reddit. Apart from the growth in trading price, Dogecoin has also seen record highs in its trading volume, which briefly surpassed that of Bitcoin. Marathon Patent Group Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol MARA, has provided a one-year grant to Bitcoin core developer Jonas Schnelly. According to the press release, this follows Coinbase's recent decision to help contribute to the development of Bitcoin Core by offering grants to two developers, both of whom had previously been receiving funding from crypto mining giant Bitmain. Marek Okamoto, Marathon's chairman and CEO, said, quote, "As one of the largest Bitcoin mining firms, we believe it is essential that we do our part to help advance the Bitcoin network. Absent core developers like Jonas, Bitcoin's efficacy and long-term adoption, and therefore our business, could be impacted. This grant will allow Jonas to continue his important work on our collective behalf." End quote. Big Digital Assets Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker symbol BIGG, has acquired 24.3 additional Bitcoins for $1 million Canadian, which will be used for its online crypto brokerage Netcoin's operational float, and also become part of BIGG's long-term treasury holdings. This purchase brings the company's treasury to 239.3 Bitcoin, or $10.3 million Canadian. BIGG CEO Mark Binns said, quote, "BIGG's subsidiary Netcoins continues to experience significant monthly increases in trading volume, and with immediate settlement to customers, we require a larger crypto float to meet daily customer buying demands. To meet this demand, we have expanded our Bitcoin holdings and will continue to do so over the coming weeks. We also believe our Bitcoin holdings can act as a source of self-financing and value creation over time as we continue to expand our core crypto trading and blockchain forensic software businesses." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.